Hello everyone, I'm welcome back to TechBlock. Today we are back with a cable management update video. It's long overdue, sorry about that, but we have a cable management update and it's not a good one. As you see by the title, it's called Everything's Falling Apart, or It's Falling Apart. Yeah, that's pretty much how I describe my cable management situation. It looks fine there, yeah, but the power strip has fallen off. It's a disaster. This looks horrible. There's a cable on the floor as well. It hasn't gone well. In part one, I thought I did a really good job. I thought I bought some good, like, double-sided mounting tape, and I stuck that on the bottom of the power strip. But as you can see, it hasn't worked out too well for me. The power strip's fallen off, and everything else is kind of beginning to fall off with it. As it's kind of dragging everything else down with it at the moment, it's not good. And on the other side of my room, where the main setup is, things aren't looking much better either. The power strip is still falling. Along with everything else beneath this desk, it looks horrible down here. And this power strip here is also kind of dragging everything else down with it. So it looks real bad, mainly because of the power strip falling off on this desk as well. So I'm gonna try to resolve this issue once and for all. We've bought new mounting tape, once again, this time not from 3M, not from Scotch. This one here is called Unibond No More Nails. So apparently it's really good. I think it had good ratings on Amazon, and I hope that this can somehow hold a power strip to the bottom of my desk. If it can't, the only thing I'm gonna have to resort to is, I guess, screwing the power strip into the desk, or like freaking using nails to, you know, attach it to the bottom of my desk, which I don't want to do because that will damage the desk. But with like mounting tape, it's easy to take off, easy to apply, and hopefully this one is better than all the other ones I've used in the past, which have all been awful. The ones from 3M, I've tried loads of those, all crap. The ones from Scotch, I thought were good, and they were good for a couple weeks, until the power strip fell off, and they're not that good really. So, Unibond, hopefully you'll do better. This just looks awful. The only good thing about it, I guess, is that it is relatively easy to take off. That's the only good thing about it, I guess. All the other ones would probably leave loads of residue. It would be a freaking nightmare. But this one, at least it's kind of easy to take off, I'd say. Besides it ripping halfway through every now and again. There we go, that's everything. Right, so all that's left now is to try this once again, this time using Unibond instead of Scotch. Hopefully you're better. Okay. We'll do 2 rolls, just to be safe. There we go, much easier, dude. There we go, that's one. That. Should I start recommending people use tweezers? Oh my god, that's so much easier. Use tweezers when taking the other side of this adhesive off. Wow. Without further ado, let's just, there we go. Just stick, please, for the love of God, stick. First impression, it's good. I mean, it looks like it's sticking, but you can never be too sure with these things. It might fall off at any point. So I'm expecting during the night, you know, I'll wake up and I'll hear a bang, and that'll be the power strip falling off and smashing into tempered glass. That'll be good. Just before we do anything else though, as you see, we're kind of out of ports already. All 6 sockets here are occupied, and we have one device, if not probably more devices in the future, that will need power. So this is the electric desk power, and the electric desk isn't powered at the moment as I don't have any more sockets. So what I'm going to do is stick another 4-socket power extension right here beside this one, and hopefully that'll kind of future-proof us. There's a lot of work that needs to be done here now. Right, we have all these cables here. We'll attach these together. So we've got 2 Ethernet cables there, 2 power cables. I think I might need some more cable trunking in this section, so I'll probably work on that another time. Also, I might need some more white Velcro cable ties, as it really does look like I do need more in this area here. Wait, what is this? That cable here, tighten it up. Okay, and this wire can come up here, we can attach it through this as well. Well, that's looking a little bit better. Kind of. There we go. That's all the cable. And push the PC back there. move these guys. Yes. Nice and easy. Okay, I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, we can move over Philips Hue then. Over here. Can stash away the cable a bit easier as well. In this compartment. Plug that in here. There we go. Awesome, dude. It's getting a bit late. This would be good. Like a GoPro charger right here. Or even on this side. Ow. Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm putting the GoPro charger there. Well, this might not be perfect, but it'll have to do. There we go. GoPro all stuck on. Sick, dude. Now all I need is a longer Type-C cable, as this one here is a bit too short. This is 1 meter. That might be enough, yeah. 1 meter, that should be good. So Type-C in this end, yeah. Then 1 meter, perfect. Right, let's make sure this is nice and tidy. And then, ooh, boom, plug it in. Man, this is sick. Look at this GoPro charger. Damn, dude, I like this. We can go up, we can go down. Nice. Right, so there's still a lot of work to do. However, we've made some definite progress. The main thing I kind of want to sort out now is this DisplayPort cable. I'll probably order a much shorter one, or try find a much shorter cable, as this is like 5 meters long, I think, and it goes from this PC to that monitor. It does not need to be 5 meters long, but that's all I had. So I'm going to replace that one, and then we should be good. Right, so let's put this dual battery charger to the test. I'm done my GoPro now. I'm going to take the battery out, just like that. And all we're going to do, pop it in there, and it's turned orange. It's charging. Both the batteries in there are charging. This one I think is almost full. But now that I've taken the battery out, I can take the micro SD card out as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We have 2 GoPro batteries charging up. I can take them whenever I need them. Perfect addition to the setup here. Very nice, very good. If you want to buy this GoPro dual battery charger or the GoPro itself, links are down below in the description in case you want to go pick up one of these bad boys. They're pretty good. If you want to do like first person unboxings like I've been doing on the channel, and people seem to be enjoying the whole first person unboxing thing, but people are also roasting me for looking silly wearing the whole head strap and stuff, but that's alright. So yeah, GoPro dual battery charger, check. Alright, so it's the next day and I've done some more work on the whole cable management situation. We've improved it a little bit, so behind the monitor here, as you all can see right there, the cables are nicely cable managed. They go down the monitor stand and you pretty much can't even see them, which is what I was kind of aiming for. So below here, as you can see, we kind of sorted things out ever so slightly. It looks a little bit better now, right? Like, I mean, you can still see a whole lot of cables here. The DisplayPort cable still needs to be replaced. That arrives tomorrow, so I'll get that done. But apart from that, it's pretty good. I'm very happy with this, and it looks great. It looks really good. Like, especially like at this angle, like you pretty much can't see any cables at all. All the cables come down from there, from the 2 sockets. We have 2 Ethernet cables there as well. One of the Ethernet cables goes straight into this PC, and then the other one goes into the Synology NAS right there. And yeah, 2 power cables for the 2 power extensions over there that are stuck beneath the desk with hopefully some good quality double-sided mounting tape this time. Hopefully this one doesn't, you know, fall off midway through the night and wake me up. But yeah, it seems to be good so far, and I'm just really happy with this. Like, all the cables go behind this leg, so you pretty much can't see them. I have ordered some more white Velcro cable ties though, so I'm gonna kind of tighten the cables down to the leg a little bit more. But apart from that though, very happy with this setup. The next thing we need to do, which will be in part 3, is that setup. And oh my god, this this has a lot of work to do. So I think what I'll begin by doing is scraping off all the adhesive below there, as there's a lot of like leftover adhesive and stuff that needs to be removed before we begin work. But once we remove all the old adhesive, we should be absolutely like good to go and just redo the whole cable management situation here. There's gonna be so many more cables though to work with, so it's gonna be difficult, but we'll do it. And finally, I'll have a well cable managed setup. Hopefully, that's the goal here, you know. But yeah, apart from that, everyone, thank you all so much for watching part 2 of the cable management update, I guess, or this cable management vlog series I'm doing on the channel. I don't know what this is, but thanks for watching once again. If you want to go check out any of the things I featured in today's video, any of the cable management gear, the GoPro dual battery charger, anything in this setup, maybe if you want some stuff in this setup as well, check all the links down below in the description in case you want to buy some products for yourself. But apart from that, hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.